A Wall Street investment firm is stepping up efforts to buy homes in our area. One of the nation's largest real estate investment trusts contacted Nashville home builders shortly after the tornado and as the economy slowed because of the coronavirus. Our investigative reporter Ben Hall has been following the trend of Wall Street firms turning Nashville homes into rental units.
Wall Street firms have been buying single-family homes with cash and turning them into rentals, even as some neighborhoods have fought to keep them out. Now, amid growing economic uncertainty, an email shows one firm is eager to increase buying. The email is from the land acquisition manager for American Homes for Rent, a publicly traded real estate investment trust, and it was sent to Nashville area home builders, dated March 20th. It starts out, "It's been a rough couple of weeks for all of us," but goes on to state the company is looking to grow its holdings in the Nashville area.
It does seem like it's coming out at a time where people might start to feel the pinch and people might start to be getting in trouble.
We showed the email to real estate investor Bruce McNillage and asked him his thoughts on the timing. He says banks are already starting to pull back on loans, and that could leave large home builders in trouble.
Will those letters continue to come? Probably. Will they work? Unfortunately, yes. There are going to be guys that get in trouble that have to sell assets.
The email states it was supposed to go out a few weeks ago and says its goal is to introduce American Homes for Rent to Nashville area builders. But as we reported last year, American Homes for Rent already has a big presence in Middle Tennessee, where they've turned many single-family homes into rental units.
This is not poor people housing. These are houses that are $1,800 to $2,500 a month.
TSU professor Ken Chilton says the top 4 Wall Street firms, including American Homes for Rent, now own more than 7,000 homes in Middle Tennessee, 3,000 of them in Rutherford County. This map shows firms bought most of their Davidson County homes in Hermitage, Antioch, and South Nashville. In some cases, firms have nearly taken over entire streets, crowding out first-time home buyers.
When they buy up all of these homes in our communities, it creates a lot of other challenges.
Former Metro Council member Jacobia Dowell told us the large number of corporate landlords in her Southeast Nashville district are often less invested in the community.
You know, we've had issues. I mean, let's just be honest.
McNillage says real estate investment trusts, or REITs, as the Wall Street firms are often called, are in a position to buy in tough times because they don't have to go through banks to get loans.
It's a wonderful opportunity for an institutional buyer like a REIT or private equity fund because, again, they have unlimited cash. Cash is king.
The email asks Nashville home builders, how can we help? And states we are actively seeking new land and builder partnerships despite some of the current challenges we are facing. The writer of the email turned down an on-camera interview, but said he's not trying to capitalize on the bad economy. He said the timing was a coincidence.
All these major companies want to buy more houses in Nashville.
McNillage says he can't speak for American Homes for Rent, but he expects this is just the beginning.
It makes sense to write letters like this and to actively prospect for land. The time it came out, I don't really have a comment on that.
As we move into mid-April, real estate investors say banks are now very reluctant to loan money. That gives these Wall Street firms an even greater advantage. Ben Hall, News Channel 5 investigates.